Hello guys!
Hi!
My name is Suda and
I'm Pınar.
she's my beloved sister, I think.
And a kind of mother.
Yeah.
I think she's my daughter's best friend and a kind of my daughter too.
Yeah.
And I want to introduce you to her. She started a YouTube channel and she's sharing her crocheting journey. And of course, she's making different things too. She's drawing, and her drawings are really so beautiful. You need to see them. She's a high school student, and she and my daughter will have an exam this year. It's very, very, extremely hard. And she find a way to express herself and surpass her anxiety, and she's talking English better than me.
No,
so
of course not.
I am giving the mic to the Sude.
Okay, now I'm so excited because I started this whole process just now in couple days. Yeah, it's been a while since I was thinking that I shouldn't start the YouTube channel. I didn't have the courage to do that, but now I'm thinking that I should do that. Like I'm gonna do that. No matter what, I'm gonna express myself and find myself and be a better person for my future self. So in my channel, I'm gonna crochet. I'm not a very good crocheter now, but I'm gonna learn how to crochet, and I want to see you guys me learning how to crochet and be a part of my learning journey, and that's it, I guess.
And I will ask you to subscribe to her channel and leave your comments so she can fix something if she is making it wrong, maybe, or if you wanna see different things, you can share your opinion with her. She's just 17. Please be kind. I'm sure you will be, but I want to tell you this too.
Your comments are really important to me because like I just posted a video on my channel yesterday and I had a few comments, and I was like too encouraged to do that again and again, and I was like feeling loud and supported, and if you guys do that for me, this will be great, I'm sure.
Anything else?
Anything else? Let me think. Yeah, in my channel I'm gonna design different things, so many different things. You'll not see a kind of already you've seen like normal things. I don't want to be a classical. I want to be a different kind of crocheter, and I want to design very different things, and I wanna see your ideas about me and my drawings and designs. Yeah, that's it.
And thank you all for watching us. I want to, since this is a shout out,
Yeah.
I want to talk about two more people. I will ask you to subscribe to their channels too. First of them, my beautiful friend, my best friend, Gigi. You'll know her, I think. Her channel is Crochet with Gigi. She's making a lot of beautiful things. Please subscribe to her channel, make some comments and thumbs up. And one of my friends too, his name is Princeton. His channel's name is yarn as a second language. I love this channel's name and I love his works. Please subscribe to his channel too and leave comments. You will love both of them in person, and you will love to watch what they made. And that's all. And please follow Suda's channel. What's its name?
Crochet with Dude. Dude.
I will leave the links below. And that's all for today. Happy New Year, by the way. That's
Happy
the first
New Year.
day.
And then I wanna in front of you guys, I wanna thank you, my sister, like mother, Pınar sister. She means so much to me, and she's helping me so much. She just gave me a bunch of yarn of her, so I'm very grateful to her. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. What I want to say.
She's so just like me. She's my younger self, I think, and I know you will love her. So please watch her videos. That's all for today. Our
Lots
best
of love.
wishes, yes,
Yeah.
and lots of love. See you again.